Thank you for joining us today. We're going to show you how to very quickly and easily turn off the maintenance required light. In this case, it's a 2021 Toyota Camry, but this is going to apply to a lot of different cars. As you can see, the light is on, even though we've done maintenance very recently. Car does not need an oil change. We just need to clear this light. The only tools we're going to need is this little keypad right over here on the left hand of the steering column. So knowing that, take a look at the car. This has got about 20,000 miles. This light comes on automatically every 5,000 miles. So in this case, we know we don't need maintenance. So going to the keypad, it's got a center button for select, left, right, down, and up. And we're going to use those toggle buttons to navigate through the menu over on the side. So going back to the menu, first of all, we're going to push the down button, which is going to push that light off and allow us to navigate over on the side. We're going to go down 1, 2, 3 to a small setup button. So when we get to setup button, now we're going to go across on the right hand toggle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we're going to see a small gear on top of a car. And that's going to give us the ability to change this maintenance light. So when we get to that, push the select button in the middle of that keypad. It's going to pull up another menu. And it's going to give us a choice of 2 different items. We're going to toggle down to 1, 2, which is going to ask if we want to reset the maintenance light. We scroll up to say yes and push select. And now that is done. The maintenance light is now cleared for another 5,000 miles. So we are all set. Thank you very much. It's very, very simple. Any other maintenance, please contact us at Toyota Braintree. And please subscribe and like. Thank you.